Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Suwai. Today I am going to make Olan. Olan is a mild curry which is prepared with white pumpkin and red pumpkin. My mother-in-law used to add moong dal with it, but I used to add cowpea to the red one and green chilli. Coconut milk you need for making this. It's a dish which is served in the Sadhya. I like to have it with plain rice, and you need salt. No turmeric is used in this. The vegetable is sliced like this and cooked in water. I have kept the water for boiling. The cowpea is cooked in cooker for around 4 whistles. Now the water is boiling. We'll put the green chili and the vegetable in it, and we'll cook this. Coconut milk adding is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. After cooking the vegetables, you can add the cowpea, salt, and add coconut oil. No tempering is required, no turmeric is required. For extracting coconut milk, take quarter cup of grated coconut and add quarter cup of water and grind it in mixer. And squeeze out the milk. Like this you can make the milk at home, or you can buy the ready-made one. If you don't have coconut milk, or you can use fresh cream also a little bit, but the traditional way of making is adding the coconut milk in it. This is cooked nicely. Now we will add the cowpea in it. Some salt. Little water is required because it's totally dried up. So little water I'll put hot water, not the cold water. After putting the salt, we will cook this for 5 minutes. Then add the coconut milk and the coconut oil and switch off the gas. So the Olan is ready. After 5 minutes, we are adding the coconut milk in it. Actually this much water is not required, but I prefer to have like this along with rice, so that's why I added little water. Otherwise the earlier consistency was perfect. Now we'll switch off the gas, add the coconut oil, mix well, and cover. So our Olan is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.